Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the topic how to make transfer from Binance to Coinbase Pro. In order to do so, one should have account in both Binance as well as Coinbase Pro. So in our case, Binance is the sender, Coinbase Pro is the receiver. So let's go to the Coinbase Pro, log into this one, and after logging in, you will see the dashboard look like this. So in the top right corner, you will be seeing like two options, deposit and withdraw. Click on deposit and choose the asset type. I'm choosing like LTC, the Litecoin one. Choose that one and you will see like two things over here, crypto address and coinbase.com. Click on the crypto address. Click on I understand button. And this is the wallet address which got generated for the LTC asset type. So click on that icon over here. So our wallet address got copied to clipboard. So this is what all we need to do from the Coinbase Pro side. Now log into the Binance account and you will see the dashboard look. Now click on this arrow mark which is next to this email address and you will see like list of options. Click on security, address management manage button. Click on add withdrawal address. Choose the asset type as LTC, the Litecoin one, and choose any of your preferred network. I have chosen Litecoin, and you can give like any name here in the wallet label. And this is the main thing, guys. This is the wallet address which we copied from Coinbase Pro. I'm just pasting it over here and click on the submit button. So now the SMS code will be sent to the registered mobile number. So let me wait for the code. Yeah, I received the code. I'm just entering the code over here. So just click on the reload page and you will see it got successfully added. So the registration is all done. So this part is called registration. So we have successfully registered the wallet address over here. This registration is helpful if you want to make the transfer multiple times. Say today you are making one transfer and tomorrow you will be making one. So in that case, instead of like every time copying the wallet address and pasting it over here, this registration I would suggest this is a one-time thing which you can do. Now go back to the dashboard and click on this withdraw button. Again, one more time withdraw and choose the asset type as LTC, Litecoin, and enter the amount which you want to withdraw. And here you can choose this one. Click on this address management. So whatever like we have registered over there, right? So that will pop up here. Just select that one and click on preview withdrawal button. So this is the confirmation screen. So once you click on that confirm withdrawal, it will ask for the SMS authentication code. Again, the code will be sent to the registered mobile number. And once you enter the code, the process is all done. Click on this done button. It seems like something went wrong. So, but this is what the whole process is. If you click on the done button, the withdrawal is all done. So money is successfully withdrawn from Binance and deposited to the Coinbase Pro. Now I will show you one more step. Suppose if you guys are like thinking to make only one-time transfer, you can always skip the registration process and then straight away click on this withdraw button in the dashboard and rest of the process looks same. Select the LTC asset type, enter the amount, and here you need to paste the wallet address which you copied from Coinbase Pro, right? And click on this preview withdrawal button. And this is the same thing, confirm withdrawal. So once you click on that, you will be asked for the authentication code and you have to enter the correct code and you are all done. So you guys can use this one. If you want to make only one transfer, skip the registration and follow this process. I hope like you find this video helpful. Let me see you guys in some other video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave the comments. I will be happy to assist you. Thank you.